What's up, guys? I was having a real bad misfire at wide open throttle, and I thought I was battling the carburetor issue, secondaries not opening up or something. So I went through the whole carburetor and rebuilt it, and everything was still in pretty good shape. And then I started looking over my ignition, and I found the harness that goes from the Duraspark MSD there to the distributor was corroded real bad. I mean, both ends of this thing are just nasty junk. So, I mean, look at that. There's no way that the distributor was getting the power and the signal that it needed through those junk connections. So I ordered a couple pigtails. I'm gonna solder them up and then see what happens. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? I got my pigtails soldered together, brand new. Replacing these. I don't even know what was going on there, but all I knew was that wasn't helping my ignition at all. It's probably why I was missing that wide open throttle above 3,500 RPMs. I'm hoping so anyway, because I put on 2 different carburetors and it's still doing the same damn thing. Look at this, just nasty. So I'm gonna get this new one plugged in and then go for a ride, see what happens. Let's go. All right, guys, I got the new harness all plugged up and in there. Fixing to go on a test drive here and see if it quits popping and banging past 3,000 RPM. Fingers crossed. Let's go. All right, guys, let's see how she runs.